Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. In today's video guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the VCM motor on Kia Optima with the 2.0 NEW engine. Okay, we're demonstrating on 1.8 NEW, but the 2.0 NEW is the same since it uses the same intake as well. This is your VCM motor, and if it doesn't work, your car will not have enough power, you will be in limp mode and you have a few engine codes maybe, or maybe just one. The most common one is P200A. So stay with us and we'll show you how to remove and replace it now. The first step, we will need to disconnect the breather hose for the PCV valve. Okay, we can go ahead and use the pliers. So now the wiring harness is attached to the VCM motor. We'll need to, there is two things on the bottom, two teeth that you squish towards each other. And you'll be able to pull it up. That way you will not damage it. Okay, check it out, these have to be squished like that and you can pull it out. After that we have only 3 bolts holding the VCM, but it's very important to do something towards the end, so make sure you stay until the end. 10mm socket, and we will go ahead and remove them. All we have to do is just pull it out. Okay, and this is guys the VCM motor. We'll replace it with a new one now. Now let me explain about this one. Okay, you can see how it has that canal and it can move up and down. Okay, that canal goes right here. So we'll definitely need to make sure that the new one gets in place, otherwise you will break it. So now we will get the new one and install it. Everything will be in reverse order that we took it apart. So we just got the 3 bolts tight, we pushed the wiring harness in, we connected the hose in reverse order that we took it apart. Now the important thing is guys to go ahead, to go inside and reset all the codes. So this is the computer that we use, a pretty inexpensive one, and it does the job really good. So what you have to do, plug it into the OBD, erase the codes, clear the engine light, and you're ready to go. So that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe and many more videos to come.